Hi friend! Want to upload your own pictures to use in LessonPix? There are a couple ways to do this. Let's start by going to the Your LessonPix tab. Now go to Custom Symbols. At the top you can see two ways to upload photos. You can upload a photo from your computer or email them into your account. To upload, just choose the photo file from the computer and give it a title. It will show below. Then you can add it to the tray and create materials with your photos. You can also email your photo into your account using this account email. The PIN refers to the numbers following your username in the email. The default is 1, 2, 3, 4, but you can change this to be any number. This email option works great when you use the photos on your phone. Just select the photos and make the subject the title you would like to use. You can also send multiple photos at a time through this email option. A third option for uploading photos to your account is to go to LessonPix.com on your phone's web browser. Here you can take photos or upload straight from your phone. And here's a little trick. Crop the photo square or take square photos. This will maximize the space in the materials and look better. Your photos will appear under the Custom Symbols tab to use in any material. You will see a yellow mind flag in the top left corner. This notes that the symbol is custom for your account only, and others cannot see your symbol. This flag does not show when you create a material. Images with this flag cannot be shared in the Sharing Center. If you need to modify the title or delete a photo from your account, click on the picture to go to the image page. Here you can set the picture as your profile picture. You can change the title, add a description, add tags to help find the symbol in search results, and delete the symbol. Now you can create materials with custom photos.